I've been using this now a little while and I love it. So let me plug this in. There is the temperature in the room, which is cold here today. But here is your power, or that is your on and off power. It has a timer, so you can do 0 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7, 8 hours. You can have this set to go for 8 hours if you like. You can set it on whatever temperature. So you want 82, there's your temperature. And then the swing button, as you can see it's going, you can probably hear it. You hit the swing button and it turns. And it's a slow turn. I've been using this beside the bed. I haven't been feeling the best under the weather, feeling much better now, but this really kept me warm. And it's so toasty. I just love it. And right now it's kind of cold, so it's like, ooh, nice and toasty. But I will put the link down below to get this. This is a great deal, you guys. It does have the mechanism on it to where if it falls over or gets tilted, it turns off. So it's not going to start a fire or anything if it gets tipped over. It has a big, nice handle here. It does have it on and off on the back as well, which I kind of like that because it's like double duty. But this is really, really nice, you guys. This is one of the nicer heaters I've ever had.